Hi viewers, welcome back to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. Now I am shooting 3 BHK flat at Motinagar, project name Brigade Citadel, ready to move, OC received, resale flats available for sale, no GST. This project spread across 11 acres, 8 towers, G plus 15 floors phase 1, G plus 5 floors phase 2. 53,000 square feet clubhouse with G plus 4 floors. 1,334 apartments in total 11 acres. Exclusive 2 and 3 BHK community starting range 1174 square feet to 1793 square feet. This project close to metro station, just walkable distance from the site, and also as well as close to MMTS railway station and Begumpet airport. You are getting master bedroom wooden flooring tiles, and also this project well connected to the IT city, IT hub, high-tech city Kondapur, Madhapur, Gachibowli, and it is very close to international airport Shamshabad. And it is very close to all international schools, malls, hospitals, your daily needs, and hotels. Thank you. If you really interested this project, please contact our display number for more details. Subscribe our channel. Click bell icon. You will get notification West Hyderabad real estate updates. Bye.